In today's fast-paced business environment, efficiency is key. One way to achieve this is through SAP outsourcing. By leveraging the expertise of SAP developers and outsourcing solutions, businesses can streamline operations, reduce costs, and stay competitive. Let's explore the benefits and reasons why SAP outsourcing might be the right choice for your company. SAP outsourcing offers numerous advantages. It provides seamless reporting and data processing, ensuring consistent communication within your business. By choosing the right SAP outsourcing team, you can drive maximum efficiency from your cloud integration solutions or business investments. These solutions align perfectly with your business structure, optimizing workflows and managing complex processes with ease. One significant benefit of SAP outsourcing is access to a global talent pool. Local teams with high-end technical skills can be rare and expensive. Outsourcing SAP development allows you to tap into an unlimited pool of resources and knowledge, regardless of your location. This not only enhances your in-house team's capabilities, but also ensures you have a stable team of experts at your disposal. Cost is a crucial factor in any outsourcing discussion. In-house developers or SAP experts can be costly, with average rates around $75 per hour. In contrast, SAP developers through outsourcing charge approximately $65 per hour. This cost difference allows you to control customization, support, and maintenance expenses, ultimately reducing your business operation costs. SAP outsourcing professionals are highly trained and proficient. Training in-house professionals can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. With SAP outsourcing, you pay only for the services you need, not for additional training or infrastructure. Your outsourcing vendor ensures developers have up-to-date expertise, allowing you to focus on your core business without worrying about technical skills. Upgrading or migrating SAP solutions can be disruptive if not handled correctly. Repetitive mistakes during migration can lead to significant losses. SAP outsourcing providers bring in-depth experience to limit disruptions during major ERP project implementations. According to Statista, the ERP software market is projected to grow significantly, reaching $62.36 billion by 2028. Leveraging SAP outsourcing can help manage these transitions smoothly. The complexity of SAP governance, compliance, and risks can make internal management impractical. Selecting the right SAP, governance, risk, and compliance GRC software is vital for your business strategy. Top-tier SAP GRC software eliminates obstacles and ensures complete security. Partnering with an SAP software development company relieves you from critical implementation and maintenance complexities, providing high-end security and custom measures. Choosing the right SAP outsourcing partner is crucial. With over 17,000 SAP partners worldwide, finding the perfect fit can be challenging. A reliable partner minimizes operational costs, improves solution quality, and allows you to focus on core business ideas. Ensure your partner aligns with your business needs, offers flexible solutions, and has the necessary certifications and expertise. A well-chosen partner provides end-to-end support, consistent solutions, and access to proficient experts, ensuring your business reaps the full benefits of SAP outsourcing. By understanding these benefits and carefully selecting your SAP outsourcing partner, you can significantly boost your business efficiency and stay ahead in the competitive market.